Hi everybody, I am Dr.S.P.SARANYA, Assistant Professor in the Department of Commerce with Computer Application, working in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. This session is going to explain about the case study of Python. So, first we analyze the Python websites. So it's an e-commerce website for like that objective. It have to create a background system for an e-commerce website. It features like user authentication, product management, order processing, payment integration, and analytics, and then implementation. So utilizes the Python frameworks like Django or Flask for web development. It includes models for users authentication using JWT tokens, CRUD operations for products and orders. So integration with the payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, and analytics using the libraries like Pandas or Matplotlib. So an e-commerce startup wanted to build a scalable backend the system to handle their growing customers. It's based. They opted for Django due to his robust features and community support. The development team implemented RESTful APIs for front-end interactions, so integrated Stripe for payment processing, and utilized Celery for asynchronous tasks such as order notification and email sending. So the system successfully handled thousands of concurrent users and provided valuable insights through the analytics. So this case study gives a look at the following simple Python program. So the user gets input value is for A, and B it's enter value for B, and the print number you have entered for E is we have to print the A values, and the number you have entered the B is the B value is printed. So we have to take in two variables. So variable means value stored values. So these are two variables A and B, and it's assigning some values to those variables. Note that Python in Python. So we don't need to declare a data type for variables explicitly. Compared with C and C++, Python don't need to declare data type. So as the PVM will assign the data type as per the user input. The input function is used to take input from the user through the keyboard. In Python, the return type of input is string only. So we have to convert it explicitly to the type of data which we required. In our example, we have to convert it to int type explicitly through the int functions. Print function is used to display the output. So the output is on execution this Python code. It's a following output. Enter the value for A is B, and the value will be given the 20. So the output is the number you have entered for A is 10. The number you have entered B is 20. So this way to explicitly running the program code for what the user want. So the social media monitoring company wanted to, for example, a social media monitoring company wanted to automated sentiment analysis of customer reviews. They trained a machine learning model on a labeled dataset using learn and deployed it using fast APIs. The deployed API accepted text inputs, pre-processed them by removing stop words and punctuation, and provided sentiment scores as outputs. So the containers ensured consistent deployment across different environments, and monitoring tools were integrated to track the model performance and usage metrics. So these cases demonstrate how Python can be used for variety application for web development and machine learning, and showcasing its versatility and effectiveness in solving the real world problems. So finally, the object we discuss about the objective and the features and the implementation. It includes the tokens, credit operations for products and orders, and then we examine the one sample program for entering value for a variable, and but we did not give the data type, and it inbuilt the data types. So the number we have to enter for A is it's a digit 10, and B is 20 is displayed automatically. So I hope this session will be very useful to you. So thank you so much.